Hey guys. Alrighty, last lesson for chapter 13. This is 13.5, and we're going to be using some problem solving to find area. All right, so let's go ahead and look at this problem over here. Zoom in just a little bit so you're not straining to see the screen. All right, it says Zach is laying a rectangular brick patio for a new museum. Brick will cover the whole patio except for a rectangular fountain as shown in this diagram. How many square meters of brick does Zach need? Okay, so we're going to have to do a couple things here to find what amount of brick Zach is going to need. So let's go ahead and let's look at this information really quickly. It's going to cover the whole patio except for a rectangular fountain. So we are finding the area of all of this brick color, just not that little blue fountain right there. So how are we going to do that? Well, we already know how to find area. So really, that's all we need to know. So let me show you the process. So when I look at this, I know that I've got this brick patio. I'm going to go ahead and forget about this fountain to start with. I'm just going to focus on this brick patio and what I know about it. So I know that to find the area of the patio, I'm going to have to multiply 18 times 20, because when I do area, it's base times height. So I'm going to do 20 times 18. All right, and I'm going to use a little bit of our skill that we learned way back when, and I'm going to look at my basic facts. I'm going to go ahead and do 2 times 18, which is 36. And then I'm going to add that 0 right here on the end. So that patio is 360 square meters. Now I'm going to go and focus on just the fountain. So to find the area of the fountain, what two measurements would I need to multiply together? Exactly, the 5 meters times the 2 meters. So 5 times 2 is equal to what? What would that area of that fountain be? Good, 10. So the fountain is 10 square meters. So now I've got to figure out what is just this brick colored area. What is that area that Zach's going to need the brick for? So I've got two different measurements here. I've got 360 square meters and I've got 10 square meters. Okay. So am I going to add these together? No, because I'm not trying to find the area of the brick patio and the fountain together. All I need to do is find the brick patio minus this fountain. So I'm going to take this 360 square meters. That is the total, because remember, this total included that little area with the fountain, because I forgot about the fountain for a second and just multiplied the 20 times 18. Then I'm going to subtract the 10 square meters that we had for the fountain, and 360 minus 10 is going to give me what? Very good. 350 square, because remember we have to do square when we're doing area, square meters is going to be how much brick Zach is going to need. So all you do is you find the area of the total space, the area of the space that you're not putting something, and then you subtract the 2 to find the difference. Let's look at one more example just for good measure. All right, let's look here at Lala. Lala is wallpapering one wall of her bedroom as shown in this diagram over here. She will cover the whole wall except for the doorway. How many square feet of wall does Lala need to cover? Okay, so first, let's go ahead and find the area of the wall. We're going to pretend this door does not even exist, which means we're not going to use these measurements that are associated with the door. So when I go to find the area of just the wall, what two numbers am I going to have to multiply together? Exactly, 12 times 8. Very good. 12 feet times 8 feet. What is 12 times 8, fourth grade? Very good. 96 is correct. So the wall itself, even If that door wasn't there, the wall itself is 96 square feet. Okay. Even with the door there, it's still 96 square feet. Okay. So we found the area of the wall. Now we're going to forget about the rest of the wall and we're just going to focus on the door. What two measurements do I need to do to find the area of the door? Exactly. 7 feet times 3 feet. So when I measure, or when I multiply 7 times 3, what do I get? Very good. 21 square feet. Now remember, I'm not adding these two together because we're looking for everything except the doorway. So except means we are leaving it alone. We are leaving it out. So if I take the 96 square feet for the wall and I subtract the 21 square feet from the door, 96 minus 21, 6 minus 1 is, very good. And 9 minus 2 is 7. Perfect. So Lila is going to need 75 square feet of wallpaper to cover this wall minus the door. All right, guys, that is it. You have done awesome with all of this math. We are finished, minus our test, finished with the entire book. So starting on Friday this week, we're going to be starting our Getting Ready for 5th Grade lessons. So you have that to look forward to. Until then, y'all have a great afternoon. Do awesome on your test, and I will see you on Friday.